Holy smokers, guys. Ubisoft is finishing the day under 20 euros. Under 20 euros price per share. Oh my god. So welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets and the stock market. My name is Mr. Orange. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, retail investor myself, and please don't buy any stocks I'm talking here about. So probably you lose all your money like Ubisoft. So alright guys, let's jump into Ubisoft. I'm invested in Ubisoft. I'm also massively down, I have to admit, but we are now coming to some let's say some valuations that are a little bit more interesting. So please don't buy the stock now only because I talk about this. Always have to say this. So in this video, looking shortly at the chart, and then I have some two news from gaming industry.biz and an incredible great games industry.biz, a great page that you should check out. So always get the best news also for the gaming industry. I don't have a partnership with them, and yeah, obviously not. So this is the chart of Ubisoft, my friends. And what happened? So what happens? We are closing at 19.23 euros, 2.66% down, and I have to admit the Nasdaq also now closes today at 1% down, and also in general the stocks are much lower today on the Thursday. But what does it mean? So I mean, it means actually that after this massive sell-off, that Ubisoft didn't catch itself. So it was really a falling knife. So the stock price really continued falling. So because they announced that they're going to lose money this year or this quarter, and then I think, yeah, only 24 they said, and only in 24 they're going to make again 400 million plus. So and 23 is going to be disastrous. So at what point institutions are buying back Ubisoft? At what point someone thinks that maybe Guillemont is selling his stakes in his family holding? No, Tencent is also there. Is this going to be a blockage? We don't know yet. So, but look at this valuation. I mean, look, 2007, 8, 9 .com bubble, so went up to 35 euros, and even here now we are like in the middle of the .com bubble crash. And then after .com bubble, you see it here, 2015, or what was, no, 2011, and 2011, and this was then this was then the turning point. This was the turning point. It's a good question. What happened actually on the 12th of September in 2011? I mean, this is the turning point for Ubisoft, and until then it was really a mess. So if you got in 2004, you were running up and you didn't sell, yeah, you were also going down the whole way back down. So and then it started. Probably some Assassin's Creed games came out, or in general the Fed was printing money like crazy. All of this is of course possible. I guess the Fed started quantitative easing, or was it called like this? So anyone back from those times there, please write in the commentary section if you know better, if you can correct me. I know you want to correct me. I know it. The keyboard warriors want to correct me. Yeah, trend line. It went nicely up the trend line at one point. Big pump. Probably some institutions got in 2015. Everyone was happy. Everyone was in a good mood. 2017 going up like crazy, European stocks, and then it pivoted at 2018, and from there it went back to 39. So from 110 euros to like 40 euros. Guys, I mean, this stock is just crazy. This is just a crazy volatile stock. I mean, look at this chart. So it's actually possible. And now I'm just assuming, I don't know, I don't have the crystal ball, but I assume this can pop back in a snip of a finger. So, but the question is now, how much is it going down? So now we're not going to make a fundamental analysis. So that's definitely not working here. So I think, and that's not my personal view, So please don't hold me responsible on this. 15, 16 euros is definitely possible. So, all right, guys, so let's make the fundamental analysis. What's going on? So Ubisoft CEO addresses the ball is in your court comment in the staff meeting. Here it is. Our friend Guillemont, the CEO. Here. Well, Yves Guillemont has it also very difficult, guys. So, I mean, he created a really good company back in the days. I mean, it's still not a bad company. It still has great brands. Probably the most successful French gaming company. So he's a founder, he's a visionary when it comes to video games in France or even in Europe. So he's a good guy in this sense, but something is going wrong in his company. And Yves Guillemont was excusing himself for blaming the staff. He excused himself for blaming the staff because the staff said, yeah, we don't let ourselves be blamed. So the ball is now in our court. So funny story I have to tell you this, guys. So yeah, this was after cancellation, delay of several projects. So he said the ball is now in your court to deliver this lineup on time and at the expected level of quality and show everyone what we are capable of achieving. So he said this to the staff in an email, and Kotaku found it out. So, and games industry biz was also referencing to this. Also here, no comments actually on the French union calls for half-day strike at Ubisoft Paris. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit later. So if you're interested in my opinion about this aspect, please stay here. So and I'm not a socialist, you know this, guys. I mean, I invested stocks, obviously. Guillemont reportedly started the meeting then saying, I heard your feedback, guys, and I'm sorry this was perceived that way. So Mea Culpa, he says sorry. So a source told Kotaku, like Kotaku has their little spice in all those gaming companies. So Kotaku, the social warriors. He added then, when saying the ball is in your court to deliver our lineup on time and at the expected level of quality, I just wanted to convey the idea that more than ever, I need your talent and energy to make it happen. This is a collective journey. My friends, no, he didn't say my friends. That starts, of course, with myself and with the leadership team to create the conditions for all of us to succeed together. Oh, yeah. I'm going to cry. Are you crying already? No, you're not crying. So Kotaku said that Ubisoft's management did not address the call for a strike, but Chief People Officer, what's a Chief People Officer? Come on. Did reject one of the Solidaire Informatique demands, the 4-day week. 4 days, they only want to work 4 days in France now. We talk about this, so please, if you have another opinion, write it in the commentary section. I want to hear it. Guys, this is so funny. So Kotaku meeting, so the CFO reportedly mentioned a need to reduce cost and increase productivity at the company. And this means probably some people are losing their jobs. So that's the whole story. So Mea Culpa, Yves Guillemont says sorry. So he says we have to do it together. It was not just you. And did I actually forget to read the blue one? So yeah, someone wrote the question. The ball is now in our court. For years it has been in your court. So to CEO Guillemont. So why did you mishandle the ball so badly? So we the workers have to fix it for you. Don't see yourself as a worker. If you're a developer, you're not a worker. So please don't compare yourself with blue collar people. So definitely not. But that's still funny. So yeah, something is not going good here. I mean, look at the stock price. I mean, look at this. Compare now the stock price. And then look at the report. And then you look again at the stock price. And then you say, someone is not happy. I mean, the investors are not happy. The people working at Ubisoft are not happy. Ubisoft CEO is not happy. And the gamers are not happy. Didn't we talk about the gamers? Did anyone talk about the gamers? My friends, also the gamers are not happy because something is going on here. So look at this. So Tom Clancy's Division 2. I love this game. Really, I like it. I played it a lot already. And I bought it here again. So I gave Ubisoft again some money. Game has mixed reviews, 58%. Because the game is crashing like crazy. It is crashing for everyone. It crashes for me. It crashes for everyone here. And then some people say, no, it's not crashing for me. You really don't. You have a potato PC when it's crashing. No. It is crashing. It is crashing. It is a big issue. Not talking now about this game, but just as an example, gamers are also not happy. So let's come to the workers again. Workers are not happy. So workers want 10% salary increase to compensate for inflation. Fair enough. Fair enough. If you work good, you deserve a salary increase. I mean, if I work good at my job, I get a salary increase. No, I don't get a salary increase probably, but mostly, yeah, just keep this aside. So move to a 4-day work week. So they want 10% salary increase and a 4-day work week. So in my job, I don't have a 4-day work week. Actually, I work like seven days a week mostly. So that's my job. Therefore, I also own money for this. But yeah, a 4-day work week. I mean, yeah, this is really French. This is French. And I personally think so. All this unions, syndicate stuff, that why is this not happening in the gaming industry? I understand, but gaming, that you have syndicates for coal miners and coal workers and fonctionnaires, civil servants, etc. But do you really need this in the gaming industry? Actually, a place that's already, let's say if you're good, you create your own games, your own company. So, or is this really an assembly line job? So I don't understand. So of course they have interest, and so many people now work in the gaming industry. So I understand that they create those unions. So don't now hate on me, guys. So go to Kotaku. Please read Kotaku. So if you know, if you're not agreeing now with me. So, but I think 10% salary increase for this, no, it's not only Guillemont's fault. He has a lot of responsibility in the whole situation, but it's not only his fault. So something is wrong also with the games, because people are probably not buying enough and they're not developed fast enough. So also something is wrong there. And then you want a 10% salary increase, and you want only to work for 4 days a week instead of 5. Come on, 4 days. What do you create in 4 days? So 3 days a weekend, so that you can play your games, that you can play more games. I'm sure. I'm just assuming. I don't know it. This is just me making fun, guys. So don't get me on this. So you think actually Ubisoft developers or workers actually going to Steam to write that Division 2 is crashing because their other co-workers are not working on the game to fix it, to finally fix this game, that it's not crashing. Maybe someone should work 5 days a week that the game is not crashing anymore. So now you can give me all the thumbs down. I know the world is full with people that don't think it's important to work, but I told you I work 7 days a week, and I don't mean YouTube with this. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video and if you share my opinion, it's not a popular opinion, but if you share my opinion, please leave me a commentary, and if you don't share my opinion, please leave me a commentary. I want to hear your opinion, and I answer to all of your comments. So that's for sure. And this is my new channel, a niche channel, gaming industry channel. I also have a gaming channel, a Steam channel, so a lot is going on in my YouTube syndicate, and it's quite fun and I enjoy it, and I see you the next time, and goodbye.